Namaste everyone and welcome to Revive Nutrition. Hope you all are doing good and having an amazing days in 2021. Bread is the most staple food in our today's lifestyle in this century. Whether you want to grab a sandwich or you don't have anyone to cook chapatis for you or you are running short out of time, the bread is the simplest and easiest option to go for, especially for Indians now. But as we are becoming more and more health conscious, what we are trying to do is we are trying to go for a healthier version of the bread. When we go in the store to buy a bread, we see a varieties of the bread. The brown bread, white bread, whole grain bread, multigrain bread, rye bread and so many things. So choosing the right kind and the best bread for ourselves from these varieties of the bread is very confusing. So in this video, we'll be discussing about certain myths about bread and what are the simple tips to choose the best bread for you. So stay tuned. Yeah. So let's first clear out the myths. If the bread color is brown and the word wheat is written in that, that means it has a lot of fiber and it is made up of whole grain. This is a myth. The fact is, if the color is brown, it doesn't mean that it is made from the whole grain. The first ingredient in the packet, in the ingredient list, determines what the bread is made up of. Most of the breads have refined flour or a white flour or a bleached flour as the first ingredient. That is the maximum amount of ingredient used while making the bread, and mostly it is a refined flour, which is nothing but your maida. Yes, whole grain or other grains are used, but it is only 10 to 20%, which hardly gives any amount of fiber to your bread slice. So that is why it doesn't mean that if the color is brown and if it is wheat is written, that means you blindly can take this bread and have it. Yeah, so keep a check on this. Also, when we see there is a marketing strategy, it says that 7-grain bread or a rye bread and multi-grain bread, these kinds of markings are there these kinds of words are there in the packet. So when you see this packet, you can actually check. The first ingredient is again the refined flour, the second ingredient is water, and the third ingredient is either a grain or a rye or oat or a barley. So that means the rye or oat or a barley is only 20% is used, which gives you less than 1 gram of fiber. So this is not the word will not define that this bread is best for you or this bread is not. So what are the simple tips to buy the bread? When you go to buy a bread, in the packet, in the ingredient list, check whether it is written as a refined flour and check for the packets which says it is 100% whole wheat flour or a whole wheat grain. That will say that it is the best bread for you because it is purely made from the whole grain or purely made from the whole wheat flour and it doesn't have the refined flour. So check the first ingredient before you buy any packet of bread. Number 2 is watch the sodium content. Most of the bread have a high dose of sodium to enhance the flavor of the bread. So probably 2 slices of bread will give, 1 serving of the bread will give you about 400 milligram of sodium. 200 milligram of sodium. So if you are having about 3 slices of bread, you are having about 600 milligram of sodium, which is too much at one point of time. So that is why check the bread which has a lesser content of sodium in the packet per serving size. Also, do not go with the words like light or a diet, because these are just the marketing strategies and it doesn't actually say diet or a light doesn't mean it has a low calories. It only means that the serving size is smaller compared to the regular one. So the calorie wise it doesn't make any difference, it is only the serving size is reduced in that. So what is a quick check? So when you go, so next time when you're going in the store to buy the bread, a quick check would be check the first ingredient. It should be 100% whole wheat or whole wheat flour, not the refined flour. Number 2 is check if it is giving you at least 4 gram of fiber per serving. Number 3 is check less than 1 gram of saturated fat in it. And number 4 is check if it is giving you less than 400 milligram of sodium per serving size. So if these 4 criteria, the whole wheat flour less than 400 milligram of sodium, less than 1 gram of saturated fat and 4 gram of fiber per serving. So if these 4 criteria are met, that means your bread is perfect and you can easily buy and consume it. And that is going to be healthy for you. Yeah. So I'm sure next time when you will go to the market, go to buy a bread, please keep a check on these things and you will open your gate for a healthy lifestyle. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the instant notification. Till our next video, eat smart, exercise enough and sleep deep. Thank you so much.